I am really happy to get the opportunity to say something about my daily routine. I am Sudipto, student of College of Nursing, Sherebanganagar, Dhaka. Well, my daily routine is very much simple. First of all, I wake up at 6 a.m. Then I brush my teeth and freshen up myself. After that, I drink a glass of water. Shortly after that, I go to the prayer room for offering my morning prayer. After that, I start studying for revising my homeworks. Shortly after that, I go to the dining for taking breakfast. After taking breakfast, I get ready to go to the college. Usually, I reach the college around 8 a.m. I am the frontliner of my class. I enjoy all of my classes. I leave the college around 2:30 p.m. After that, I take rest and I take bath. Shortly after that, I go to the dining for taking my lunch. After taking lunch, I get a nap. Shortly after that, I go to the ground for playing with my friends. After playing with my friends, I come back my hostel and freshen up myself again. In the evening, I offer my final prayer in the day. After offering the prayer, I start my studying again and continue it until take dinner. Usually, I take dinner at 8 p.m. After taking dinner, I call my parents and spend my precious time of the day. After that, I gossip my roommates and then I start study again. Well, then I start study and continue it until my sleeping. After that, I ready for go to bed. And finally, I go to bed at about 12 a.m. That's all about me for the time being. Thanks for watching. Thank you.